Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we'll be looking at Bitcoin, and what I really kind of wanted to discuss is that how alarm bells are ringing in relation to Bitcoin. So let's have a deeper conversation. What do I mean by that? But before we do anything else, it is always essential to go through this disclaimer and risk warnings. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. The full disclaimer is right in front of you. Now, guys, why do I think the alarm bells are ringing? Now, on the fundamental side, there is no doubt that Bitcoin has a lot of fundamentals working for it. For instance, major Wall Street banks such as Morgan Stanley, they are providing access to their wealthier clients to Bitcoin through various different routes, and that should have continued to help the Bitcoin prices, but that is not what we are seeing, as you can see in front of as you can see from this chart, which is right in front of you. And then moreover, Bitcoin has also been adopted by a major payment processor companies such as PayPal, and of course it is also sitting in the treasury system of a major S&P 500 company. By that, of course, I mean Tesla. But all of these fundamentals, which show that there is enormous amount of adoptability and integration of Bitcoin taking place, we are still failing to see the sort of a momentum that you should be seeing. Now remember, in our last video we discussed that if Bitcoin price fails to break above the 60,000 price level, which is just right around over here, then the chances are that the price will never retest its previous all-time high, which by the way is just at 62,000 price level. Now when we look at the price action on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? We see first of all that the price broke below the 50-day simple moving average, which we discussed in our live video session yesterday. And secondly, the price failed to stay above the 100-day simple moving average as well. And now the price is really testing the strength of the 200-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Now the chances are that it is very likely that the price will continue its momentum to the downside, and perhaps the next important level of support that we'll be really looking forward to in terms of a Bitcoin price is going to be just below that 50,000 price level. So I'm looking at this particular price zone because this is where the massive moves happen to the upside. So something between 49,500 or 600 to 50,348. So that will be our first sort of a support zone that we will be very much looking at in terms of Bitcoin now from here onwards. Now, of course, the price is already trading below all the three important moving averages on the 30-minute time frame, and that further enhances those concerns that yes, the bulls have lost control of the price, and the price is likely to continue its journey towards the 50,000 price level. And the hope really is that the price will stop its drop at 50,000 price level or the support zone that we have mentioned over here. Because if the price doesn't stops over here, then really we are looking at the price to retest its recent lows, which is formed back in February, and then by that it means the prices can really run towards a 43 to 44,000 price level. Let's continue to monitor this and we'll provide you more update as they happen. For now, that's all, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.